My voice, I am human. My name is Joe. Your objective is to kill everyone and fly into tunnels game.
The amazing about this aircraft is it's just so easy to land it. It's the easiest plane / jet to land. It's so easy to land this thing. It's
into that one!
Get the fuck out the way, nigga! Move, bitch!
Altitude. Altitude.
Trigger crashed. Trolling an idiot.
Feeling incredibly gassy.
Gee whiz, I think I'm playing pretty good defense. Owie, my ankle!
Fuck you!
Hello!
Goodbye!
Казахстан угрожает нам бомбардировкой. Казахстан угрожает нам стан.
Get out the way!
What a bunch of hippie baloney.
Fuck off.
Enemy aircraft shut down.
I gotta go set the table, cause it's time! Y'all got
Enemy plane shot down.
Why is that man so angry?
This is your unorthodox station. You don't want this orthodox.
It seems you're in red. I don't really like red all that much. Luis, red killer.
You did a good job on the mission.
Okay, you're clear to